Are you looking for a career that offers global recognition, high earning potential, and immense opportunities for growth? Have you been searching for a way to fast track your career in global accounting and finance? Then this course is definitely worth considering. ACCA. This course will make you global chartered accountant. Today I'll be addressing everything that you should know since the course is a foreign course from UK. I'm very sure the first thing that strikes your mind is, would I get a job in India or not? What is the scope in foreign? How much is the fees? What is eligibility, duration, syllabus, and so many other things. So, if you are someone pursuing ACCA or wanted to pursue ACCA or just wondering to know about this course, you have played the right video. Let's get started. ACCA is a UK based program which is governed by the professional body called the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. ACCA is a global body and leading professional accountancy organization that operates in more than 180 countries with over 2 lakh plus members and 5 lakh plus students. Now, let me tell you the biggest advantages of becoming an ACCA member. ACCA member is basically the one who has successfully qualified ACCA. The advantage is that you can work not only in India but in over 180 countries across the world. Some of the very popular countries that Indian ACCAs can work in are the UK, Australia, Singapore, Germany, and many other countries in the European Union. If there is globally one course which is recognized as the benchmark for excellence in the field of accounting and finance, it's ACCA. So students, before I jump onto the course details, I would first like all of you to understand the scope of ACCA and how it can change your life. The scope of ACCA is massive. Over the last few years, there has been a crazy surge in the number of aspirants in our country. And this is mainly because of the increase in demand for accounting professional with globally recognized qualification. With the ACCA degree, you'll be able to work for reputed multinational companies such as Big Four, which are actively hiring fresh ACCA. And not just that, several reputed companies are increasing their reach and operating from multiple countries across the globe has increased the demand for qualified ACCAs. Now, the most important thing, ACCA has partnership with numerous accounting bodies and universities globally, and it is currently associated with over 7,000 approved employers that provide amazing opportunities for ACCAs. Now, I'll tell you the example of companies that hire ACCA. Reputed companies from various countries such as UK, Hong Kong, Singapore, etc. are also operating from India. Such companies need to hire people who are qualified to work internationally and are well versed with global accounting standards such as US GAAP and IFRS. Companies today that extensively hire ACCA are KPMG, Deloitte, EY, PwC, BDO, Grant Thornton, right? Kindly note, ACCA has its own designated portal for the job search and placement, and it's jobs.accaglobal.com. You can very well just browse this portal and just see how demanding this profession is, how many Indian companies are regularly posting their vacancies for ACCA. Well, I believe you must have understood how big and demanding this course is. CA, CS, CMA exams are getting tougher and the passing percentage are dropping day by day. If you are one who is still struggling to qualify them, ACCA is a wonderful alternative for you because it is comparatively easy. Not just that, if you are a qualified chartered accountant, then ACCA would be icing on the cake for you. One very important thing that all of you should understand properly about ACCA. It is not possible for an ACCA to pursue auditing in India. That's because an ACCA in India has no authority for signing and hence he cannot mark his signature on audit reports. Similarly, he cannot set up his own auditing firm in India. However, listen carefully. An Indian ACCA professional can carry out auditing job in UK and many other countries. Well, all of you know that Indian economy is on the path of growth and globalization. And thus, it is being predicted that India would easily become one of the biggest global market for ACCA. So, if you are someone who wishes to pursue ACCA, then I would ask you to think less and just go for it. You would surely have an abundance of opportunities in India and outside India too. Well, that's all in the scope. Let's move toward the course details in depth. I will first start with eligibility. The eligibility criteria for ACCA are relatively simple. Number one, you have to clear class 12th examination in the commerce or science stream with 65% in accounts or maths, right? 65% in either accounts or maths, then 65% in English and a minimum of 50% marks in all the other subjects in order to qualify for preparing ACCA examination. Number two, if you have cleared 10th grade, you're also eligible for the ACCA exam, but with the FIA route. What is this FIA? That's Foundation in Accountancy. FIA is basically an entry level qualification that covers the fundamental knowledge and skills needed in accounting and finance. Now, how to become an ACCA member? You need to first clear all the 13 papers divided in all the 3 stages that I'll discuss next in brief. And you also need to fulfill the professional experience requirement, that's in short called PER, which includes 36 months, that is 3 years of work experience, performance objective and the ethics module, which is separately to be learned. Up next is ACCA course structure. The ACCA exam consists of papers in 3 different levels. The first is knowledge level, the second is a skill level, and the third is professional level. The first level, which is knowledge level, has 3 papers. Number 1, business and technology. Number 2, management accounting. Third, financial accounting. And all the 3 papers are mandatory. Basically, the syllabus of this level matches to class 11th and 12th syllabus. The knowledge level exams can be given online. It's an on-demand paper that you can give throughout the year. This means you can give the exam anytime in 365 days. You just have to call the exam center, book a date and give the exam. Each paper is of 200 marks with no negative marking. The passing criteria is 50% in each paper. The paper pattern will be MCQ plus some subjective questions. Very importantly, once you clear the knowledge level, the ACCA will give you diploma certificate, right? That means at every stage you have something to obtain, right? If you do not even continue the other levels. So once you qualify the level 1, you get a diploma certificate. Now the next level is a skill level, that is level 2. The skill level consists of 6 papers. The first is corporate and business law, second performance management, third taxation, fourth financial reporting, fifth auditing and assurance, sixth financial management. That becomes total 6 papers. Here a student can choose to appear in one paper at a time or he can make a combination of papers to give at a time, but maximum up to 4 papers in a particular level. This is also a computer-based exam which is conducted 4 times a year: March, June, September and December. Exams are held in the first week of the month. Passing criteria is same, 50% marks in each paper. The paper pattern of skill level exams will be combination of both MCQ and subjective type questions. Once you complete all the papers of skill level, you will be entitled to receive an advanced diploma certificate from ACCA. The third and last level is the professional level, or you can say strategic professional level. This level consists of 4 papers. 2 papers are mandatory. First, strategic business leader, and second, strategic business reporting. The rest 2 papers you have to choose from 4 options available. Similar to skill level, the level exams are also, this level examinations are also computer based and can be given up to 4 times a year that I have just told. Passing criteria in this level remains the same, but there is slightly change in the paper pattern. All the questions of all the papers would be subjective. So you have to type long answers on the computer. And once you have passed all the papers of professional level, you will become an ACCA affiliate. This was all in the course structure. Yes, the overall passing percentage in the ACCA exam is 50%. After passing all the 13 papers, you have now become ACCA student to an ACCA affiliate. Now, let me tell you, when will you become ACCA member? To become an ACCA member, an ACCA affiliate has to complete 20 hours of ethics and professional skill module, plus 3 years of practical training requirement, or you can say internship of 3 years. The moment you have completed all these, ACCA will give you a certificate and you will become ACCA member. Very easy, right? Next is exemption. There are certain papers in ACCA which you will not be required to appear for exam based on your qualification. ACCA offers exemption for certain papers based on candidates' prior education qualification and professional experience. Generally, candidates who have completed a relevant degree or other professional qualification may be eligible for exemption from certain ACCA papers. That means you will not be required to give all the 13 papers. So let's understand this better. For example, if an individual has completed bachelor's or master's degree in accounting or finance from an accredited institution, they may be eligible for exemption up to 9 ACCA papers out of 13 papers. My goodness, that means you'll be required to appear for just 4 papers. Yes, let's understand better. Individual who are CA, CS, CMA or CPA or have any professional qualification from recognized bodies are also eligible for ACCA paper exemption. Remember carefully that in ACCA, exemptions are not automatically generated. The candidates have to apply for them through ACCA. All you have to do is to submit certain documents. Also, if you are unsure about the exemption, you should get based on your qualification. Then you can simply search on Google ACCA calculator. Right. The ACCA official website has a calculator that will tell you the paper exemption you are entitled for. I hope I am clear up till now. Also, one important thing, though you don't have to give exam for exempted papers, but ACCA charges you the examination fee for the papers you are claiming the exemption. Coming on the very important part that I know all of you would be eager to know, the fee structure. The registration fee for ACCA program is £30, which is almost 3,000 rupees that you have to pay directly to the ACCA body. It's a one-time fee. Next is the subscription fee. So subscription fee is basically a membership fee. that every candidate has to pay to ACCA body every year. Even the student have to pay the student membership fee. Whether you are an ACCA student or ACCA member or an ACCA affiliate, you have to pay this fees. Up next is the examination fee. You have to pay examination fee to ACCA body every time you appear for the exam. The exam fee ranges between 12,000 to 22,000 rupees per paper. Basically, different level papers have got different examination fee. It ranges from 12,000 rupees to 22,000 rupees. You can have access to complete details. I have put a link in the description box. You can check out there. ACCA affiliate has to pay 142 pounds, that's 14,000 rupees as a subscription charge. And ACCA member has to pay 283 pounds, which is almost 28,000 rupees. One important thing for ACCA affiliates, affiliate status is valid for 3 years only. And after that, affiliates are required to pay full membership fee even if they don't fulfill the professional experience requirement. And if you are a student passing ACCA, you have to pay an annual subscription fee of 122 pounds, which is somewhere 12,000 rupees to keep your student status active. Last but not the least is the ethics fee. It's one-time fee which is being paid by ACCA affiliate to ACCA body. The fee is 71 pounds, which is somewhere about 7,000 rupees. The fee structure that I have told you may slightly differ because ACCA keeps on restructuring their fees. Well, that was all about the ACCA course. Now you must have this question in your mind: what kind of jobs can one get after becoming an ACCA? So the career option available for you are that of management accountant, consultant, business analyst, corporate finance expert, financial planner, advisor, auditor, and tax consultant, among many others. I can understand this course is quite expensive for you, but don't worry, I'm here for you all. I will help you to get great discount on registration fee, membership fee, examination fee. Right. Apart from that, I can help you in getting the right study material to help you clear your examination. Video lectures, backers content and whatnot. Get discount on everything. If you are interested to become a global CA, you can provide certain info through the link given in the description box. We shall help you in every step of yours to qualify ACCA. That was all from my side. I hope you will find this video useful. For more such video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Wishing you all the best in your career ahead. I am CA Agrawal signing off. Thank you.